lives reflections everywhere. Walking through the alleys where shadows come alive. She's the fleeting moments where memories thrive. Underneath the streetlights, our story starts to gleam. In the heart of the night, we're living neon dreams. Neon dreams, shining bright, guiding us through the endless night. In the city, we're not alone. Neon dreams will make our own. Whispers of adventure in every corner found. Echoes of tomorrow in a hurting sound. Skylines full of wonder, painting the horizon. Neon dreams of wonder, give us what we're lost in. Underneath the streetlights, our story starts to gleam. In the heart of the night, we're living neon dreams. Neon dreams, shining bright, guiding us through the endless night. In the city, we're not alone. Neon dreams will link our own. Neon dreams, shining bright, guiding us through the endless night. In the city, we're not alone. Neon dreams will link our own. In the heartbeat of the city where our paths collide, every step we take is a ride. Colors blend together in a vibrant stream. We find ourselves within these neon dreams. Neon dreams shining bright, guiding us through the endless night. In the city we're not alone. Neon dreams will link our own. When the dawn is breaking and the lights fade away, we'll remember the moments as night turns to day. The echoes of the past will always find the themes of the nights we spent living our neon dreams. When the dawn is breaking and the lights fade away, we'll remember the moments as night turns to day. In the echoes of the past, we'll always find the themes of the nights we spent living our neon dreams.